Today's the day, Ben. The engine gets tore down. Dude, I wore my space socks. One large step for Ben and I. We'll test our gapping, but truthfully, I do think probably the valves are off. Like, you know, they're just not seated right or too worn or something. So fixing the gapping may help for some time, but just generally working it down will be good. Then we'll take the heads off, we'll take the cylinder off, we'll check the cylinder walls, hopefully we'll still have some good cross hatching in them. We'll see how the piston rings are, and then might as well tear down the rest. For curiosity's sake, and just for start from ground up. But I definitely think a heads restoration is going to be what's required to give this thing compression. Yeah, I think that's where it's going to be. All right, we're going to check our valve clearance between the lobes here. So toss that guy in there, and then we're going to spin until this indicator mark here. They say it should feel as if you put it, like, let's say you had a phone book, you stuck your feeler gauge in and pulled it out. Mm-hmm. That's kind of the grip we're looking for between them, the friction between them.
Got it.
So 4 feels slightly loose, 5 feels like it won't go in. We're erring on the higher side of 4, I would say. We could say we're at 20. I don't think it's definitive enough to say that just doing a shim job would get us good compression back.
Yeah.
Let's take these boots off, take this guy off, take this guy off, and we'll go from there.
Can somebody come and save me? I just wanna know. I wanna know.
I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red light. I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red.
Oh, that was a little guy.
Oh, did that go in there?
I see it. You got a magnet?
Ah, shit. I have a lot of reach.
I was expecting it to be a long screw.
I didn't even think about that. This guy.
Still too short.
Ben is performing delicate surgery.
It's still too short.
Shut up. Are you serious?
Oh wait. Oh no.
We need to go longer?
Yeah.
I could get some skiers.
I could run through the fire.
Yep.
Hey.
Nice.
So let's just make this make a table out of this head.
Dude. We're no longer building.
Yeah. Just make it furniture.
Oh, it looks awesome. It looks pretty clean.
You good?
No. Fuck. Alright.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, you're going.
The table's moving.
Oh. There you go.
Yeah.
God, I hope we're not breaking them.
I don't know if I can make it when I walk alone.
date.
Well, at least it's not as heavy now.
I know, right? We're knowing all our parts over here. Getting them all organized and labeled. Keeping it clean, taking our time. Oh boy, now we take the heads off. I'm so excited to see how dirty it is under there. That's generally what it looks like.
Empty on the
Yeah, there's just holes in the pistons and everything.
That's why.
So, ooh, she looks so good. God, this bike takes up so much space when you start breaking down all the little parts.
Yeah.
So, they say you could hit it with a rubber mallet a bit to break it free.
Okay.
And worst case, you could try to wedge it apart a bit. So I don't know if we could see how.
So essentially, this whole head from where
From here.
from here up.
Yeah, this is the cylinder portion. This
Okay.
is the actual heads.
Let's just give it some love.
All right.
We don't have any other bolts that need to come off.
Nope.
What about this one?
Which one?
These two.
Yeah, this probably should come off actually. Holy shit. Yeah, that would have sucked. Alright,
Just bashing it in.
I lied. You gotta take off these two, yeah. Don't say that.
I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red light. I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red.
Ah. Don't know when this cut out. They're off. That was a pain. We probably did it the wrong way, but it's off. Everything looks pretty clean besides that. And that's garbage anyways. There's all our cylinders. Go and pull that girl out of here. There you go. Toss that in the trash.
Oh yeah, you on it.
It looks like what cylinders look like after being run. What's up?
Beat the shit.
They don't. I can't tell that. We'll pull the under walls off and see. But all right, flip that guy over, Ben. Let's see how he looks. I broke some fins in the process. Not happy about it. Oh, first reaction. Oh, there you go. Interesting.
That's nice. A little grimy.
Yeah, a little bit.
That's where the chunks are from.
Yeah, the edges.
Yep.
All right. Boy, dirty.
She dirty.
She dirty boy. All right. Now I can throw. Look how rusted some of the pieces are.
Mm.
Well, it doesn't look like we have holes in any of them.
That's good.
It's a good start, right? All right, now we can fill it up with some water. See how it does. Should we try to take these off?
What?
This guy.
Yeah.
All right.
What is it? Just pull off?
Yeah.
Right.
Should. I've been wrong before.
I could run through the fire.
Oh, look at that piston. Alright.
Yep.
That one's cleared out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hang on. We're gonna do this. Okay, ready? Nice. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, look at all that dirt.
I know. Oh. She's out. Woo.
Just annihilated.
Yo, these look really good.
Does it?
We're going to pour water into the intakes here, fill them all the way up, okay?
Let's see if it's.
And then we're going to see if it seeps out of these intake valves. It's just a dirty way of quickly
You want me
testing.
to get the? This will be easier.
That's good. Got it? Perfect. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Don't worry, the table's waterproof right now.
How many cups of water is that? 2 cups of water you're drinking one of those. The table's waterproof right now. All right, which cylinder do you want to go for first?
All.
All of them. Savage. All right, go with number 1.
How much am I pouring?
Just pour it in until it fills the top.
Glug.
And now we wait. Go ahead, you can pour the rest of them.
Oh.
It's leaking out? Oh, yeah. Yeah, that would be bad compression. All right, let's grab a napkin.
That's the leaker.
That's one of them. No, I'm surprised it's not leaking on the others, though, to be honest with you. Wow, that one's really leaking.
Mm-hmm.
Holy crap. It's leaking from the top.
Mm-hmm. This right here.
Yeah. Jesus. You see bubbles coming out? Yeah.
Yep.
Alright, that's our leak. So, currently have a leak in cylinder 4, valve 2. If we say this is valve 1, 2, 1, 2. Valve 2 or valve 8, let's say. Whoa! Alright. The other 3 look pretty good. This one was a little bit, honestly, I would have lapped them all at the end of the day. It gets so cold and then it stops working. So annoying. All right, let's try the exhaust side. It makes me worried that we're not getting any leak on. Let's see how the cylinders looked here. Which ones looked like they had the burnt? Yeah, 1 and 2 here.
Mm-hmm.
You know, compared to these ones.
Yeah.
See that?
Mm-hmm.
So, unless it's just on that one side, so this one seems more predominant.
Yeah. It's all
All the way down, yeah. Huh. Interesting. Let's see what the exhaust side says.
Alright. Oh, that's filled real quick.
Oh, we got a little bit. I don't know, can't tell. Okay, go ahead the rest of them. Pretty clean.
Lap it up. No, nothing?
Nothing too bad. I'm quite surprised, to be honest. Oh, yeah, a little bit.
Right there.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's leaking.
Oh. Yep.
Yeah, air's getting through. Oh, that was a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Right there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
The bottom part.
Okay, I'm really actually pleased with that though, because we have low compression, we know, but on some of the valves the water is just absolutely pouring out of them, right? But on the rest of them we had to push air through it. So hopefully with just a really good lap job that we could do like on the table here, then we can fix our compression issue.